Hi, I'm Sam with Mr. Landscaper, and today we're going to be going over some watering solutions for your hanging baskets and potted plants. For watering your hanging baskets, we have a perfect solution, which is the adjustable dripper stake kit. For watering your hanging baskets and potted plants, we also have our pot stake kit. And what I love about this kit, it happens to be my favorite stake, is that they're all individually adjustable, but it's a nice spray pattern and it's a down spray so the water stays in the pot. So this is great for hanging baskets and potted plants, but also great for your bigger containers. And they're easy to assemble. You literally just push our vinyl tubing on the top barb, and then you actually place it right into the pot. And what's nice is that the spray pattern stays right inside the pot, and they're all adjustable. There's a little valve on each one so you can adjust the exact amount of water you want. So you can have a little bit of spray in there, or you can have a bigger pattern. To see why people love this product so much, and to find more information from Mr. Landscaper, click on the link below.